Hey there and welcome back. Today's video we're going to be testing out Patrick Ta Beauty. I picked up 3 of the products from his launch and I'm going to be trying them out in today's video, sharing my thoughts on them. So if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get started. Package here in the mail. I ordered this from Patrick Ta Beauty on the day of launch. If you guys do not know, Patrick Ta Beauty is a brand new brand that has just launched. It is owned by Patrick Ta. He is a makeup celebrity artist and he also does a lot, I feel like, with the influencers. He does a lot of master classes and things, so that's where I mostly know him from, but I know he's very well loved in the beauty community, and he launched his own line with some new products to it. So I initially saw this launch and I was so excited. I had to get everything, but I didn't end up getting everything. I got one of each item in a different shade. So I'm excited to test out these products. I will say initially off the bat, I was a little bit disappointed with the shipping on these products. I purchased them on the launch day, which I think was the 5th of April. Today is now the 16th and I just now got my box today. I also want to point out that I didn't get a shipping notification until last week. I know that they are a newer brand and obviously it takes time to kind of find your footing in here, but I know that they also launched into Sephora like a day or two after the actual launch. And I was a little bummed that I didn't know that because I would have much rather purchased from Sephora than purchasing from the website. It oftentimes takes longer if you are purchasing from a website as opposed to Sephora. I have that 2-day shipping there, so I would have much rather purchased from Sephora, also gotten my points that way. But that being said, there wasn't much I could do about it. I already made the purchase. I just wanted to make note that it was quite a while on shipping, so I already kind of had like a little bit of a sour taste in my mouth. I know he apologized for it and everything like that, so hopefully the products make up for it. So this is what the box looks like. It's actually packaged pretty nicely. They're in this little saran wrap thing right here, which is actually just like a cardboard saran wrap. I've never really seen someone do this. So he did launch a total of 3 products. So we have here the body oil. So he did launch 3 different colors in this. I ended up getting the champagne. Here is what the outer packaging looks like. Very sleek, very nice. And then let's go ahead and pull it out here. Like I said, there are 3 different shades to this oil. Ooh, it's pretty. Here is what the packaging on the body oil looks like. This entire collection is called Major Glow. So this one is the Major Glow body oil. This one is a pretty pricey oil. It was $52 for this, but it definitely feels like it's going to be luxurious. This one has in it 3.4 fluid ounces and it is in a glass container. I am noticing it feels a little bit wet, so I'm not exactly sure if it's leaking or what, but I do feel like it feels a little bit wet, but I don't see any shine here. So I'm not sure if maybe there was just a little moisture in my bag or not, but I'm excited to test this one out. The next thing that I did go ahead and get is the Major Glow Highlighting Mist. This was the one that I was most excited for. This one is actually like a spray highlighter. I thought it looked really pretty in the promo shots. The price on the highlighting mist was $32, and then the last thing I ended up getting is one of the lip products as well. There are 3 shades to each one of these items, so there are 3 of the body oils, 3 of the highlighters, and then 3 of the lip colors as well. The one that I got is She's Expensive, so this one is called the Lip Shine, so it's supposed to be like a lip gloss, and here is the packaging. I have to say this packaging is very sleek, very pretty. Have the rose gold, I think it's really pretty. So here is what that one looks like. The price on this one was $22 for the lip shine, so it's definitely pretty pricey. This whole purchase was, but I'm so excited to dig into the product. So let's go ahead and swatch everything first and then we'll go ahead and try them out. So I made sure to put on a shirt that I could show you guys like the body glow that we're gonna do with the body oil. So I'm first gonna swatch it for you guys. I'm not exactly sure how we're gonna do this, but it is a spray. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit out so you can see. So here is what it looks like. You can definitely see it's a like runnier formula. I'm gonna go ahead and set this down so I can show you guys what it looks like swatched out. To me, it kind of looks more shiny than glitter, really. I'm having like some glitter on my hands here, but I think in the actual swatch of it, it looks more shiny. So I'll have to see when it's on the skin kind of what it looks like. You can definitely see glitter in it, but it looks more shiny. I'm gonna make sure I shake it up as well before I use it. And then up next, we have the highlighter mist. So it says for directions, shake well before use, hold the can 6 inches away from your face, spray along the cheekbones. I'm so excited to try this. I don't think I've ever tried like a highlighting spray before. So I want to show you guys first a swatch of it. So I'm going to hold it back, okay? So we have a little bit of a swatch right there. So there's what it looks like. I'm so excited about this one. I think that this is the #1 thing that I was most excited to try. And then I want to show you guys the lip gloss really quick. So this is the Major Glow lip gloss, and I'll just show you a really quick swatch of this one. There is the lip gloss there, swatched right there. I'm so excited about this highlight. So let's go ahead and test everything out on the face, the body, and let's go ahead and see what we think. So I think we're gonna first start with the oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some out, I think, on my hand actually. I'll just spray like 2 squirts, see how that works. I'm gonna kind of rub it together and then start to apply it all over my body, and we'll see how this looks. I obviously would probably spray if I didn't have a top on, but I don't wanna get it like all over my shirt here. But you can definitely see a little bit of reflect. I feel like this would be better out in like the sunshine. I feel like that's what I've been mostly seeing people do with it. Like, you know, it's out in the sunshine. I feel like it's really just gonna like hit you. And I'm so excited to bring this with me on vacation and really see what it looks like, you know, all over the body in like a sundress. I think would be so pretty. So here is what it looks like. It's definitely giving me a sheen, but it's not anything too crazy. The formula doesn't feel like really sticky. It definitely feels a little bit oily, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna be uncomfortable at all. We'll see if it does dry down nicely. And then let's go ahead and do the highlight. So the Look at Her White Pearl is the shade that I did get. So shake well before use, hold the can 6 inches. So let's see how this goes. I'm so nervous to like spray this on my face. I'm nervous I'm gonna do it in like the wrong area or something. So I'm gonna grab my mirror so I more or less know what I'm doing, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. Oh, I'm scared, okay. So there is it sprayed. It definitely gave us a shine. I think that I need to spray it a little bit more intense, not like hold it down a little bit more, so I'm gonna do that. So there is it. Shiny. Okay, so I definitely think I got a little bit more up here than I did like right here, but it's definitely really pigmented. I think it looks really pretty. Let's go ahead and try the other side here. So I feel like it's kind of hard with this product because it's kind of getting like not where I would normally necessarily highlight. I'm gonna grab my sponge and kind of blend that out over here, but it's definitely a really pretty highlight. Like I really like it. It looks very just like glowy, like so glowy on the skin. I just wish I had more control over it, but I feel like with this kind of product, you're not really gonna get that because it is a spray. I don't know, I feel like that's kind of cool. I'm excited. I wanna spray that like all over me as well. And then for the lip color, I want to go in with the lip liner first really fast because I feel like since it is just like a lip topper more or less, it'll look best over lip liner. So I'm gonna use this one from MAC. This one is their nice and spicy lip liner. All right, so now that I've got my lip liner, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip gloss. And this one's kind of just like more of a champagne, like a clear. And see how it looks over top. Smells good. It has a minty tint to it, scent. Apply a second layer here and see if we can't build it up a little. I really like the actual like glitter in it. It's very small particles. It's not anything like intense. It definitely looks very, very shiny for sure. I'll have to continue to try this out like by itself and over other things, but look at how wet this looks on my lips. I think it looks so nice. I'm trying to look more at my body and see if I see any more like glow going on. I think for me, the things that I'm gonna like is the lip color, and then the highlight I think is so cool. I wanna play around with it more and see like how to spray it, what's the best way to spray it. I wanna try the body oil out more, like without a shirt, and kind of just like drench myself in it. So that is gonna do it for this quick little like first impressions review on Patrick Ta Beauty. I definitely think that the products are very eye-catching to me. I think that the collection that he came out with is a little bit innovative with the spray highlighter and everything like that. You guys will have to let me know down below if you've picked up anything from this launch or if you're planning to, if you're excited about this brand. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.